In this tutorial, I will show you how to round numbers up. This feature comes handy in situations when we need to round numbers up to specific decimal places. Please pay attention to the syntax so as to have a proper understanding of how to round decimal numbers up to a specific decimal place. First, we write the round keyword and then open a bracket. Inside the bracket, we need two important parameters. The first parameter is the decimal number we want to round up, and the second parameter is our desired decimal place. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.